appreciate you all, and I am finna do a tutorial today, so most definitely stay tuned through this video. And I love you all so much. Most definitely, if you have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button up top, turn those push notifications on, and let's get into it.
Bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass coat. I'm the realest bitch ever see, snake ass hoe.
Welcome back, babes, to another bomb ass tutorial, y'all. So today we're finna go ahead and get into this look, and y'all, I wanted to do a tropical look today, so yeah, we're finna get into it. Right now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it is the lightest shade that they have. I think it's called Porcelain, and I'm just taking that and finna blend this base out, because when we're using light bright colors, we want to make sure that we're using like a lighter shade of concealer so our colors can show. So yeah, going in with my I can't talk, y'all. Going in with my Tropical Glow palette, I'm gonna be taking this palette, y'all, and I am gonna be going in this shade. I am going to be using a lot of shades today, so y'all, please stay tuned. I am going to be taking this Wave Maker, this blue, and I am going to go up under that, and I'm going to use this. I think it's Laguna. I'm going to be taking that blue as well. Taking my blending brush, just blending this shadow out up under first, and then I'm gonna blend the one on top. Y'all, I did find that this is so helpful now that I just blend the shadow out on the bottom first, and then I go up over and blend the one on top. And for some reason I don't know what happened with the talking on the while I was recording or whatnot, but for some reason this shit just stopped, so I had to do a voiceover. I'm sorry, y'all, but yeah, y'all stay tuned and keep watching. So babes, I'm gonna be going in with this purple shade out of this palette, and y'all see me applying that shade first, And then I'm going to be taking another shade green and another shade, I think pink and yellow. So y'all will see me adding all these colors to my cut crease. And y'all will see me being silly throughout this. I'm so sorry, y'all. Somebody text me. But throughout this through this video, y'all see me being silly because I was on the phone and I was having this conversation with this certain somebody, and every time it never failed. It always good vibes, always good laugh, everything. But anyway, y'all, so back into this tutorial. Like I said, I'm gonna be taking this next shade and this next shade, and I'm sorry that I had to jump like from shade to shade. I just had to go ahead and speed it out because it's a lot of clips I had to take out this video, y'all, when I was editing and all of this. So but yeah, y'all see me applying these shades. This is the finishing look for this makeup tutorial today. I hope you all took this in, learned something with me, and y'all better get into it. Finna be a hot girl summer, and we out here, period, baby. So tune in. Most definitely subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, and I'll catch y'all later.